Hello everyone. Yes, I'm super duper excited to have you all join me today to make another recipe. I hope you're all doing great and having a wonderful day. Anyhow, today we are making an easy shrimp fried rice recipe, okay? And this fried rice has all the flavors in it that make fried rice, if you know what I mean. So let's dive right into it. We are gonna kick this off by heating up some oil in our pan first and foremost. And once the oil is hot enough, we are adding our shrimp to it, okay? Just medium heat. You don't need it to be too high. You don't want to burn your stuff up. And to that, I'm going to add some garlic and ginger, which I already diced. I pre-prepped my stuff, so I'm adding that to it. And you want to watch it, you don't want to burn this. And this is going to help elevate the flavors. And I add some black pepper to that. I want my shrimp to be such that even if you're eating the fried rice and you take out just one shrimp, it tastes good. So some diced garlic, ginger, black pepper just to spice that shrimp up is perfect. Okay, and we're gonna let that cook for a while. We watch it so that nothing burns up, and you constantly turn it. And once the color of the shrimp has changed, you're good to go. So I'm taking that out, and we are going to go to the next step, that is scrambling up some eggs. So I noticed 2 eggs wasn't going to cut it for me, so I go in with an extra egg because I have a good amount of rice I'm working with. So, and I want to see those eggs in there when I'm eating, so an extra egg wasn't a bad idea. And I spiced my eggs up because I want them to taste as good as my shrimp does. And when everything tastes good, it comes together to make the whole meal a great one. Trust me on that. So I'm going in with my carrots and green pepper now because they are a bit harder to work with. They'll need some more cook time. And now I'm just adding a spice cube, shrimp cube, and just one should be good. And we're gonna mix all that up. And now I'm going to be adding some paprika because it's one of the spices I love aside black pepper. And I'm going to introduce some powdered pepper as well to bring that heat into the food. Next, I add my rice, which has already been pre-cooked using chicken broth. And I always do it this way. Anytime I'm making fried rice, I cook it using chicken broth because all those flavors you use for cooking your chicken would go into the rice and even make it taste better. And I make sure I don't overcook that rice. So next, I'm going in with my soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. I love sesame oil. My life hasn't been the same ever since I found it. Yeah, it has this peculiar taste it brings to the food, which is very good. Yeah, so if you have it, please do use it. We are now going to give that a good stir to make sure that everything is mixed thoroughly. So I'm going to be going in with some more soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil because I feel like I'm not tasting so much of that and I need just a little bit more. And soy sauce just to get that darker color in my fried rice. And at this point, I think everything looks good, it's tasting good. So I'm just gonna stir it and Cover it up and give that time to simmer so that the flavor can go into every corner of the food. And now everything is ready. It smells absolutely amazing. Guys, you should give this recipe a try. I'm gonna be eating my fried rice with some salad on the side and some parsley sprinkled on it just to add some more color. So guys, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. What are you waiting for? Stay blessed, everyone.